Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be showing you some beautiful designs and drawings. So first we are making a dinosaur. Draw its body like this. Now draw its eyes, teeth and the hump on its back. Now draw the patterns on its body, color it and it's ready. Next, we will draw a tree. First, draw the hand-like shape like this. Now, draw the trees over it as shown in the video. Now, draw the bushes around. Draw the eyes of the tree. Now, we will color it using green and brown color. You can use different colors and it's ready. Next, draw the shape of a hand like this. So here we are making a peacock. Draw its eyes, beak and the crown. Draw the wings. Now we will design its feathers. Draw its legs as shown in the video. Now after drawing the feathers like this, we will decorate it and then color it as shown in the video and your peacock is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, draw the lines like this. Now complete the figure and here we are making a corn. So make the corn like making the check lines as shown in the video. Color it and it's ready. Next, draw the figure like this as shown in the video using the hands. Draw the legs of the bunny, draw its eyes, tail and the nose. Now we will color it as shown in the video. Draw a toy in its hand and it's ready. Next, draw the shape of a hand like this. Now we will make the patterns on the top as shown in the video. Make the flowers as we are making. Now complete the lines. Next, we'll make its stem like this. Draw the leaves, color it and it's ready. Next, we will draw the shape of the hand as shown in the video. Now draw the eyes and the beak of the bird like this. Draw its wings as shown. Now make its feathers on the back. Draw some patterns and it's ready. Next, close your hand and draw the figure on the paper like this. Now using red color, draw these spiral lines like this. Make the stems of the flower and make it till the hand. And then make the leaves using green color marker or the color like this and it's ready. Next, draw a pattern like this by keeping a leaf on the white sheet. Now inside the leaf, we will make the house as we are making. Draw the doors and windows, decorate it, make the trees and bushes near the house, draw its path, draw a sun on the top, color it and it's ready. Next, write the numericals 1 to 5 in the white sheet and then we will make different drawings using it. So using 0, we will make a sun. Using 1, we will make a snowflakes. Using 2 and 3, we will make the sky, moon and the sun. Using 5, we will draw the lightning sky like this and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.